How to use CopySmith iMarketing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CopySmith is a powerful iMarketing tool, but most beginners make mistakes that limit its potential. You won't believe how often people misuse it and end up with generic or off-target content. The first mistake is skipping clear input instructions. CopySmith generates content based on the prompts you give. Vague prompts like write a blog post often produce generic results. Instead, include specifics, target audience, tone, keywords, and format. For example, write a 500-word blog post for small business owners about boosting email open rates in a friendly tone will produce much more relevant content. Another common error is over-relying on AI without editing. While CopySmith can create drafts quickly, it's not perfect. Grammar might be solid, but context, brand voice, and factual accuracy often need review. Always read, tweak, and refine the content before publishing. A third mistake is ignoring templates. CopySmith offers templates for ads, emails, product descriptions, and more, but beginners often stick to free-form content creation. Templates save time, maintain consistency, and help generate high-performing marketing copy. Beginners also neglect the power of multiple variations. CopySmith allows you to create several options for the same prompt. Using only one version can limit creativity and effectiveness. Testing different versions of headlines, social posts, or email subject lines can dramatically improve engagement. Finally, many forget to integrate analytics. Creating great content is only part of the story. Track performance metrics like click-through rates, conversions, and engagement to understand which CopySmith outputs work best for your audience. To use CopySmith effectively, craft clear prompts, edit all outputs, leverage templates, generate multiple variations, and monitor performance. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms CopySmith from a basic drafting tool into a strategic AI system that accelerates your marketing efforts and drives real results.